My name is Ash Obenaus. I'm a park assistant for Virginia Beach, and the diversity I bring is I am a trans person, and to be more specific, I am female to male, so I am a trans man. The way I diversify the city is by bringing my voice as a trans person and my experiences to the city. I think that unity within the city and even our communities is so important, especially in the workplace. We spend 40+ hours a week together, and that's sometimes more than we see our own family. I think one of the most important ways we as a community and a workforce can do to help further unity and diversity among each other is being respectful of each other's journeys and where we all are in life. I think me being a trans person who's very open about his experiences and what he's gone through, I think that that helps either other people who may not be out or other people who may not even understand what it's like to be trans or to experience this sort of life. Having that openness helps other people have an understanding and may start a dialogue in a way that we may not have otherwise. There is no unity without you and I. VB Unity lives here.